shopping cart will,
As Connor would probably take it from him.
Oh, okay, one more.
and he might slide and face plant.
Yeah, I think it's a little taller also than the postal thing. I don't know.
Come on, Karen, you can do it. Come on, Karen, you can do it.
It's an odd place for your treadmill.
Yeah. And you have to do a tonnage.
It's our furniture holder.
There he is. Good boy. Come on, Karen. Well, it's nice and cool down there. I don't blame you for wanting to lay down there. It's nice and cool there.
Maybe this was 20 pound barrier? Wow.
Well, for now.
Um,
She's observing.
She decorated her room.